Storage ottoman, create a stylish ottoman that doubles as storage. Use a cushioned top for comfort and hidden space for blankets or toys. Features, show different finishes and upholstery options. Convertible coffee table, build a coffee table that can be raised to dining height and has hidden storage. Demonstrate the lifting mechanism and how it transitions from coffee table to dining table. Murphy bed, construct a wall-mounted Murphy bed that folds down when needed. Highlight space-saving benefits for small apartments or guest rooms. Foldable desk. Design a foldable desk that can be easily stored away when not in use. Showcase how it can transform a small space into a functional workspace. Nesting tables, create a set of nesting tables that can be used individually or stacked together. Discuss design options and practical uses in different rooms. Bench with storage, build an entryway bench that includes storage for shoes and bags. Show how to incorporate hooks for coats and a padded seat. Sofa bed, construct a stylish sofa that converts into a bed for guests. Discuss materials and mechanisms to ensure comfort and durability. Pet bed with storage, create a pet bed that includes storage for toys and supplies. Showcase how to customize it for different pet sizes and styles. L-shaped desk, build a spacious L-shaped desk with integrated shelving or storage. Highlight its use in home offices and for gaming setups. Expandable dining table, design a dining table that can be expanded for more guests. Demonstrate the mechanism for extending the table and showcase various finishes. Murphy desk, a wall-mounted desk that folds down when needed, perfect for small spaces, ideal for remote work or studying in tight areas. Storage coffee table, a coffee table with a lift top that reveals hidden storage for books, games, or blankets, keeps living room clutter-free while providing a place to eat or work. Sofa sleeper, a stylish sofa that converts into a bed for guests. Perfect for small apartments or living rooms that double as guest rooms. Ottoman with tray, an ottoman that functions as a coffee table with a removable tray on top for serving snacks, adds versatility to living spaces, easily transitioning from seating to a table. Expandable dining table. A dining table that expands to accommodate more guests, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining friends. Wall-mounted folding table, a table that can be mounted on the wall and folded down when needed. Great for dining or crafting in limited space, easily tucked away when not in use. Bedside table with charging stations, a nightstand that includes built-in USB ports and storage for books and devices. Keeps essentials organized and devices charged overnight. Bench with shoe storage. An entryway bench that offers seating and hidden storage for shoes and accessories. keeps entryways tidy while providing a place to sit, kids play table with storage, a low table for children that includes storage bins for toys and crafts. Encourages play while keeping toys organized, TV stand with hidden storage, a stylish TV stand that includes compartments for gaming consoles and media. Keeps entertainment areas clutter-free and organized, tips for selling and marketing, customization options, offer various finishes, sizes, and designs to meet customer needs, quality craftsmanship, use durable materials to ensure lunch.